Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this beautiful Unice Wear and Go pre-cut lace 6 by 4.5 closure reddish brown curly wig. You guys, this wig is 100% glueless. It's also 100% secure, and it also has that airy wig cap that we all love. That way your scalp can breathe underneath this wig cap, okay? This is the perfect wig for beginners, but also it's a good wig for all of my ladies out there who are pretty lazy. This wig comes ready for you to go, and I'll be showing you guys two different styles that you could do with this wig today. Alright, so here is the wig. Once again, this wig is from Unice, and it is their Wear and Go pre-cut lace 6 by 4.5 closure reddish brown curly wig. Again, you guys, this wig comes pre-cut and it also comes pre-plucked for you. And look, they even added the little baby hairs for you. That way you don't have to do it yourself. That is the airy wig cap. So the airy wig cap allows your scalp to breathe. It also has that silicone base to prevent the wig from slipping and sliding. And of course, you have that adjustable elastic band. This is the perfect wig for all of my ladies out there who do not like to cut their lace on their own. Maybe you're a little bad at it, or maybe you're not really good when it comes to plucking as well. You don't have to worry about that with this wig. It's super beginner friendly and it only takes 30 seconds to install, okay? That hairline is very natural. I'm gonna give you guys multiple close-ups throughout this video as to what the hairline looks like, as well as the lace in itself, because guess what? I did not do any bleaching or anything like that with this wig whatsoever. So as you guys saw, I just added some makeup onto the lace and I adjusted the adjustable strap to my preference, and then you're just going to throw her on, and literally you guys, that is the install portion of this tutorial, okay? All I'm doing right now is just making sure that she is centered and also making sure that she is very secure as well, because we really need to make sure that, being that we're not adding any product to secure the lace, we want to make sure that the lace is laying super flat. So that's where those combs, that silicone base, as well as that adjustable strap come in, all right? So the first thing that I'm going to do is comb those baby hairs back, because I'm going to reshape them and use them later on. You guys will see that later on in the video, but I also will be using my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure everything is laying flat. And we will be adding just a little bit more foundation right at the tip of that lace and in the part area as well. Okay, so she is looking pretty good. I'm going to give you guys a close-up to show you what really that lace is looking like. As you guys can see, it's pretty invisible. It is not too bad at all. And guess what? We did not have to use any product to make it look that way. So that is one of the main benefits of this wig, all right? So now we're just gonna move into the styling portion. Now, one thing that I realized off the bat is that these curls are super defined straight out the box. You guys see that? So I'm like, okay, cool. That means that I do not have to do any additional work to really define the curls or make them pop, etc. All I'm going to do is just refresh them, because again, they just came out the box. So I'm adding some water and I'm going to finger detangle. I won't be using any type of styling tools today. I'm just going to finger detangle, because with just the water alone, these curls were just popping, and I was like, yes, I was so happy, because I don't like doing a whole lot of work when it comes to my curly units, okay? This is supposed to be a quick wear and go wig, so we're installing it that way. So once I got all the water in the hair and I finger detangled, I'm just going to take a little bit of gel and just put it in the hair to set the curl pattern. Now, normally I would use mousse, but I actually ran out. So if you don't have any mousse, you can definitely use a little bit of gel. And I'm going to repeat this all over my head. Alright, so this side is completely finished, so I'm just showing you guys what it looks like wet versus dry. So I went ahead and I did the other side off camera. Overall, you guys, the hair quality was really good. I didn't have excessive tangling and I did not have excessive shedding. One thing that really helps when it comes to that with these curly units is to ensure that you are detangling while the hair is wet, okay? So just make sure you are treating this as if it was your own natural hair, because at the end of the day, it is curly hair. So now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when it dried. And one thing that I realized is that it was giving the same type of curl pattern as it was wet versus when it was dry. So I was really happy about that, because a lot of us love how curly units look like when they are wet. So I was happy that it dried pretty much the same. So right now I'm just showing you guys a different hairstyle. Again, you could also do a little side part or C part with this wig unit as well, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I'm just going to give myself like 2 little flat twists right in the front of my head, and this is when the baby hairs come in. I did go ahead and reuse the baby hairs that was already done on the wig unit when it arrived, because I really wanted to make sure that that lace was covered and it was giving natural. Alright, so this is how the hairstyle turned out. It came out really cute. I was really happy with it. I actually used to do this hairstyle with my curly units all the time, like a couple of years ago, so I definitely brought it back. But as you guys can see, I was able to achieve that while she was still 100% glueless. And of course, I'm gonna give you guys the shake test, because hello, I gotta show you that it is fully secure, okay? This is perfect for any occasion. You could take it on, you could take it off whenever you choose. And once again, it only takes 30 seconds to install. It comes ready for you to go. So I will have the direct link to this wig unit listed in my description box down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.